Hello, grade 2, how are you? This is our lesson, Unit 3, 5 Senses, Lessons 6 to 10. Let's start our lesson by revising the 5 senses and what things we can do with these senses. Let's see. First, here we have 4 pictures and 8 words. We are going to match these words to the senses. First, look at the boy who is smelling the flower. So this sense is smelling. Smelling. What do we smell? Ice cream, pencil, drum, flowers, radio, rubbish, bowl, lemonade. So we smell flowers and rubbish. We smell flowers and rubbish. And look at this boy who is eating cakes, or he is tasting cakes. And what else do we taste? We taste ice cream and lemonade. Okay, ice cream and lemonade. And look at the other boy who is hearing some sound. What do we hear with our ears? We hear drums. You know the meaning of drums. And radio. Drum and radio. And look at the last boy who is touching the raindrops. So we touch also, we can touch pencil and we can touch ball. Okay, grade 2. Is it clear? Let's move to another task. This 8 pictures, we have different pictures and half parts of words. We are going to match the halves together to get correct words. Number 1, we have drum. Drum. So we have dra and we are going to find so this is the drum. Drum. Okay, number 2, we have flower. Flower. So we have the fla and then we are going to find the other part of the word, which is flower. Okay, flower. Flower, like this. Okay, then we have radio. Radio. Where is the correct part of radio? This is the first one is radio. Radio, like this. Okay, ball. Ball. So we need the double L to complete the word ball. Okay, grade 2. Now in the other side, I am going to tell you only the word. You have to complete it. Okay, you can work on your skills book. You are going to find this page, which has the same task. So number 5, we have pencil. Pencil. Then rubbish. Rubbish. Ice cream. Ice cream. And the last one we have lemonade. Lemonade. We have this task. It's a listening and reading task. You are going to listen to sounds, then you are going to read the sentences. First, listen and guess what's this sound. It's this is the sound of listen for the third sound. This is the sound of the telephone. And the last one is the sound of what? Listen carefully. This is the sound of the ball. This is the sound of the ball. So grade 2, today's lesson we are focusing on the hearing sense. Okay, hearing sense. We hear all of this sound with our ears. We use our ears to hear all the sounds. Okay, now let's read. Number 1, I can hear a ball. Read it. Number 2, I can hear a radio. Number 3, I can hear a drum. Number 4, I can hear a telephone. Read it. Okay, yalla, let's move to another task in the same page of class book, page 27. This is the same page. You are going to read the sentences and match to the correct picture. For example, number 1, I can hear a dog. Where is the dog? Is it number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6? The dog is number 5. So write with the first sentence number 5. I can hear a dog. The dog is number 5. Number 2, I can hear a duck. Look at the duck. What number is it? And write the correct number. Do the same with the other sentences. Okay? Is it clear with you? Work on your class book, page 27. Let's move to our skills book, page 17. First, we are going to find word. Okay, here we have 5 words. We are going to circle them on this task. Number 1, cat. Number 2, drum. Draw a circle around the drum like this. Okay. Then number 3, telephone. 4, dog. And 5, radio. Try to find all of these words. Okay, grade 2. Now look at task 2. Number 1, I can hear a bee. This is the bee. I can hear a bee. Number 2, I can hear a what? What is it? It's a drum. So you are going to write here drum. I can hear a drum. Okay. Number 3, I can hear a. Write the a here. Then write what is it? Okay. Number 4, I can what? I can hear a radio. Write the radio here. And number 5, I complete the sentence as number 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, use the same word, just change the last word. I can hear a. I can hear a. Okay, and number 6, write the full sentence. I can hear a cat.